Guys, today I am going to show you how you can get an unlimited amount of new customers coupon to reduce your cost, to manufacture your margins, is what we call it. I have a whole video on that, check it out by the way. But today I'm going to show you exactly how to get an unlimited amount of those welcome coupons. So for example, right now we are on adidas.com. If you scroll down, you can see that if you join Adi Club, you can get 15% off. So of course, you're just going to be able to get it only one time if you don't have a catch-all email setup. So what is a catch-all email? It's basically, you will basically need to buy a domain name, and then from there we're going to set up things. So anytime you put, so let's say for example you buy a domain name saying subscribe to this channel.com. By the way, subscribe. If you buy this domain name, we are going to set up things. So anything that you put in front of this domain name, so for example Chris at subscribe@thischannel.com, subscribers at subscribe-to-this-channel.com, the sky is blue at subscribe-to-this-channel.com. all these email address does not exist, but they are gonna redirect forward all the emails they receive to another email address. So by doing this, you can have an unlimited amount of email address, and you will get all your emails in only one inbox. And since you can have an unlimited amount of emails, you are going to be able to get an unlimited amount of coupons. This is a great way to reduce your cost and increase your profit margins. So how would you do that? So we are going to go to domains.google to purchase your domain. So choose whatever you want, choose something simple. What I did for myself is I just went to a name generator and I chose one of the shortest name that I could. So it's a 6-character name. You can do the same thing, you can just put something random. Do not put something that can potentially flag you. Not that it's gonna flag you, but like choose a simple name, choose something that looks like a company name, like whatever. So let's say we want to do, I have no idea. Getyuk.com, whatever. It's probably taken. And I wonder what this company could be, but whatever. So let it load a little bit. How are you guys doing, by the way? Good. I'm sorry, my computer is a little bit slow. We already know. So it's finally loading. Here we go. So we can get getyuk.us, getyuk.com. So get a .com domain. It's the best. If you really cannot do it, like just do it. Like there's no excuse. Get a .com domain name. I'm sorry. So just click right there to add it to cart. Let it load. Go to your cart, and right here, you have the option, if you really want to do it, you don't need to do it, there's no need to do that, to pay $12 a month to get a professional email with a real inbox and stuff, like to get Google Workspace. You do not need that. You just need to pay $12 a year. So it's like $1 a month, and it's going to increase your profit like crazy. So this is a good investment. Leave it to renew on, put privacy protection on. It's free, just do it. You check out, put all your information. And then once you get your domain name, so you're gonna have to put all your information. You know to do this, then you put your credit card information. Then once you purchase your domain name, you are gonna log in, and this is what you should have. So I have my domain here, you have your domain here, so go to my domains if you're not on this page, then click on manage. Once you are here on the right, go to email, right there, and right here, scroll down and you are going to see email forwarding. Okay, from here you're going to add email alias. You are going to add an asterisk right there as the email alias, and you're going to have your domain right there. So anything that will be before the @ sign, and you can put anything, it's going to redirect all the emails you receive to the email you choose right there that you put on the right. So you can put your personal email, just create a burner email for everything related to your online arbitrage business, and that's it, guys. That's the only thing you need to do. Now, if you go on any website, you can also do it on Walgreens. You can create an unlimited amount of account, you can get an unlimited amount of new customers coupon. So take advantage of this. And if you want to go the extra, if you want to do an extra step, you can get another address, another physical address. This is what I do to split my shipments, be able to order more quantity. You can use website. I'll show you in the next video, because on some websites, and for Walgreens is the case, they are going to cancel your orders if you do it too often. But like, you can split stuff in multiple addresses. So take advantage of this and check out this video if you want to learn what online arbitrage is, what it is, and how you can make money with it. So I'll see you in the next video.